Hello everyone, here's Paris from Believers Academy. In short note series, we started with the Living World chapter. Today we are going to say the second part. First, the taxonomy. Taxonomy is nothing but based on characteristic of an organism. Based on characteristics, classification of all living organism into different taxa, or we can say different categories, is taxonomy. The definition is branch of science which deals with principles and procedures of characterization, identification, classification, and nomenclature. We will see the definitions of all the four. Characterization, it is defining the distinguished feature of an organism, which includes morphology, anatomy, and physiological characteristics. You are just seeing or defining the outer characters or characters which can you see by your eyes. Then identification. Identification is determining the identity of an organism. Then next is classification. Classification, grouping of living organism into convenient categories based on some easy observations or characters. Now, the father of taxonomy is Carles Linnaeus. The term that Carles gives is not taxonomy, it is systematics. Systematics includes characterization, identification, classification, nomenclature, and last one is phylogeny, which means the history, the biological history or ancestor history. Study of ancestoric history is phylogeny. Now we come to main part, that is binomial nomenclature. From the name you can understand binomial, that means we are going to give two names or two uh, names. Nomenclature is naming of an organism. Binomial nomenclature is proposed by Casper, but Casper just say that this is the system we are going to give binomial or two names to any living organism, but it is developed by Carlos. Let's see. These are some organizations you need to remember that ICBN is for International Code for Botanical Nomenclature, that means plants. ICZN is for International Code for Zoological Nomenclature, and here's IUCN is International Union for Conservation of Nature. Okay, now here's come rules for binomial nomenclature. These are important, you need to remember this. The first rule is the language, because there are many language in the world. So the language we use for nomenclature is Latin or Latinized. Why? Because this Latin language is dead language. So that means no extra word is going to add, or no any word is going to delete from this language. Okay, then we are going to in Latin language. If you are printing the name, then it should be italic, in italic font, like in this italicized form. But when you are writing on a pen or paper, then you are going to underline the name. Then second is, the first word is going to be a genus, representing genus starts with capital letter, and the second word is going to be a species starting with small letter. Let's see an example. Yes, here's the example. Magnifera indica, which is mango. The first word is representing genus Magnifera. The second word is species. We are writing it, that's why we are going to underline it. Okay, underline. The first word is capital. Yes, first word is small letter. Okay, if you are writing it in italic font, like you are doing this, so this is going to be a wrong. While writing on a pen or paper, you must write it in normal font, but underline it. Okay, don't do this at any cost. Like in when you are writing it in boards paper, just write in small English in normal font and underline it twicely. Okay, you are going to highlight the name. That's it's a nomenclature. You need to remind these rules, three rules, nothing else. Last part is taxonomical categories. We are taking it in another video. So for now, study and take care. For notes, instead of Telegram, yeah, we are going for Discord. So join from this QR code, scan it, you will find the link, join it, and you will get the notes and all the important updates. Thank you.